In this video, I'm going to talk about miking drums with 8 mics, which will give us plenty of options. With 8 mics, we'll be able to close mic everything. We'll be able to have a mono room mic, and we'll be able to have stereo overheads. So if you think about that in the big picture, the close mics you could use on, say, the verse, and you could bring in the stereo overheads during the chorus to open it up. So just because you have 8 mics set up doesn't mean you have to use them the whole time, so you can kind of think about having different setups with those 8 mics. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate today, and keep in mind the first 4 audio clips do not have any processing, which means I didn't add reverb or EQ. These are just the raw tracks so you could really hear what they sound like. And then the last audio clip I have are the drums processed, so you can kind of hear the potential. On the inside of the kick, I have a Shure Beta 52A, and it's placed a few inches inside the head, faced toward the beater. The next mic I have set up is on the snare drum. It's on the top, and if you notice, it's not like a traditional setup at a 45-degree angle, but more perpendicular. I call this the Kilroy, and it provides a nice balanced tone. Underneath the snare, I have a large diaphragm condenser. It's an AKG 414, and it's going to help provide more snares, more of that snare sound. On the tom and floor tom, I have a Sennheiser E609. It's a pretty tight pickup pattern dynamic mic. For the left and right overheads that I'm using as a spaced pair, these are small diaphragm Shure SM81s. And for the room mic, I have a Mojave MA300. It's a tube mic, multi-pattern mic, and I have it on Omni.